that is called mutilated, but only the one which is divisible into parts and is a whole. For two is not called mutilated. One of the units is taken away. For the part removed by mutilation is never equal to what is left, and in general, no number is called mutilated, for the substance of the thing must remain. After mutilation, if a cup is mutilated, it must still be a cup. But number is no longer the same. Further, even if a thing consists of unlike parts, it is not always that it is said to be mutilated, for, in a sense, even a number has unlike parts, such as 2 and 3, and in general things in which possession makes no difference, such as water and fire, are not said to be mutilated, but in order to be mutilated, things must be such that according to their substance, possession makes a difference. Besides, they must be continuous, for harmony is composed of unlike parts, which have possession, but it does not become mutilated. Further, even if things are wholes, they do not become mutilated by the privation of any part, for the parts removed must neither be main parts of the substance, nor be in any chance place.